Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Luto nga pala tayo guys ngayon ng garlic shrimp. Shrimp with garlic and then kari-kari. Lunch for today. So, nilagay na natin yung garlic. Masarap, maraming garlic guys. Ayan, brown na siya. Maya-maya ihulog na natin yung ating shrimp. So, ihuhulog na natin yung shrimp. Halo-haloin natin. Takpan natin siya guys. Open natin. Ayan, pink-pink na siya. So, ayan na guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Sana nakakain na rin kayo at nakaluto na rin kayo. We love you so much. Thank you.